welcome back to my channel. So today it has been requested that I do the 5-minute makeup challenge again, and if you guys saw the first one, you guys know that my anxiety like, oh gosh, these things are like fun and exciting, but also like my heart is pounding out of my chest. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad that you're here. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And before we get into it, if you see like it's a little pink or like purpley, I got stained by an eyeshadow. Anyway, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I zoomed you in just a tiny bit, not that you want to recreate this look, but just so you can see what I'm doing. I quickly do want to mention, if you see me pop up an eyeshadow name, they are going to be from one of these palettes. I did pull out a couple liquid shadows. I don't know what I'll grab. I gave myself options of everything. So I will have everything listed down below. If I can, I will pop it up here as well. I know not everybody likes to go to the description, but just in case there's something you see that you want more info on. Okay guys, so I have my 5 minutes on the clock, and whew, okay, we're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna go. Okay, start. I didn't even apply primer. Okay, already off to a great start. I think I'm just gonna go Smokey. It's not like I can really do a cut crease or anything right now. Oh, I don't know what to grab. Let me try to pack on some. I'm just going Smokey here. Isn't it funny, like when you do your shadows normally, you feel like it just takes you about 5 minutes sometimes? I think it's like the overthinking of it all. And I'm pretty sure it doesn't take 5 minutes to just shadow. You just feel like it's super quick. I'm just gonna grab. This is a liquid shadow from Dominique Cosmetics. Oh my god, spending way too much time on this. Okay. Ugh. Primer. Milk. Hydro grip. Not even letting that sit. I have my Rare Beauty foundation. I believe it's shade 310. Oh, I just got that on my shirt. And we're going in for the brush. Oh my god! I've already used 2 minutes? What the heck? Oh my god. My breathing intensifies. I feel like that's as blended as we're gonna get that. And concealer. Oh, I'm gonna have to use a dry sponge. I didn't even wet my sponge. Oh my god, is that even good? Not bad, not bad. Okay, setting this, and I need a pad brush, Okay, and then set my face. Oh my gosh, I have like a minute something. Oh my god, that was close. And then we're going into bronzer. Oh, I sent that on. And then we're going into blush. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. And blending. And then I have Ofra Cosmetics highlight. I believe this is Rodeo. I feel like it's gonna be bad. And 29 seconds. Okay. Brows, brows, brows. Not that I like brows, but it is what it is. You guys know I naturally do them pretty lightly, so okay, good. Mascara. Okay, let's put y'all. Okay. Back to mascara, back to mascara. Oh my god! Y'all. The shadow. I just saw that. Oh my god. Okay, let me zoom you in so you can see this madness. Boo. You guys, this is so bad. First of all, eyeshadow. Why is one all the way up here and one all the way down there? The lip, foundation and lipstick at the same time. My favorite combo of life. Also, I wish I would have put a little more mascara on, but it is what it is. Also, like bronzer, it blended out like a dream. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't tried this bronzer, except for right here where I stamped it, that was my fault. Ignore that. Okay, you guys, so that was the 5-minute makeup challenge. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope it was entertaining. It was like 2 seconds for me. I feel like I let you guys down because anyway, you guys, if there's anything else you guys want to see from me, any other challenges or looks, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to share my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!